5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations to the management, stakeholders, well-wishers of IREDA.
IREDA, the Mini Ratna PSU company, has made a blockbuster debut on D Street today. It got listed with a 56% premium over the issue price of 32 rupees. The stock listed at 50 rupees on the NSE and the BSE over the issue price of 32 rupees. But the stock is not stopped right there. You can see on your screens there is still an 82% surge from the issue price, and the stock is currently hovering at 58.5 rupees per share as well. And with this, the state-run company has also become the second most successful PSU listing in the last 10 years of the stock market exchanges. Now, earlier in the grey market premium, ahead of the market debut, these IREDA shares were commanding a premium of just about 12 rupees in the unlisted market. But this listing has happened much better than expectations as well. In fact, the IPO had also received an overwhelming response from all kinds of investors, especially from the long-term funds. In fact, IREDA can now act as a proxy play for the growth in the Indian renewable energy sector, and that perhaps has really got to all the investors. We've actually seen that the IPO received a positive response from investors with a subscription of 38.8 times. Also, the quota set aside for retail individual investors was subscribed 7.7 times, the QIB portion was subscribed 104 times, and the NIR portion was subscribed 24 times. So every portion got oversubscribed as well. In fact, this listing has been above market expectations, reflecting the strong fundamentals and the growth potential of the company as per most of the stock market experts. But the big question now is, what should investors now do post-listing? Well, if you were one of those lucky ones who actually got the allotment, most of the experts do believe that this is a stock to keep for the long-term perspective, and this can definitely play big on the pure play renewable energy space, and therefore it is a stock that you should definitely keep. However, if you were looking only for short-term gains, you may also look at profit booking. Let's talk to you about what are the top market experts really advising investors for all of those who did not get the allotment and are now looking to invest in IREDA, IPO, or these shares in the secondary market now. Well, Prashant Tapsi of Mehta Equities believes that IREDA gives the allotted investors a long-term opportunity to hold and also to continue to bet on the growth in the sector that it serves, and hence they have recommended all the allotted investors to hold for the long term, while those who failed to get the allotments, he expects them to accumulate on every dip for holding it for a healthy long-term return as well, citing the company's visibility and the growth potential at large. Now, the company, as I told you, is India's largest pure play green energy financing NBFC and plays a strategic role in the development of the renewable energy space with a comprehensive suite of financial products and other value chain activities like equipment manufacturing and transmission as well. Let's also talk to you about what Prathamesh Mastekar of Stocksbox has really said on the listing and what he's really advising to investors post the listing of the shares. So he believes that investors who've already received the allotment, they can continue to hold the shares from a medium to a long-term perspective. And he also says what makes this company interesting is that IREDA is the country's first PSU to hit the market this year in 2023. And the first one after LIC's stock market debut in May of 2022. And right now, if you see, the PSU basket has already been performing very well in the Indian stock market. So the timing is right. Things are going well in the sector's favor as well. And now when you talk to about the company's specific fundamentals, they are strong. The growth visibility is strong. And the company caters to a large private sector space in the renewable energy space. So that is where it also has a key trigger that investors can bet on. According to Shivani Nayati, the company, the stock market expert again, the company's long-term prospects appear quite promising, making it a worthwhile investment for all of those investors who have a long-term investment horizon as well. So most of the stock market experts still believe that the company has a long-term potential. However, as a caution, experts are also saying that once the company is already looking at a substantial 80-82% upside on day one, it is time to be cautious at this point in time and not chase the momentum. But in case you are very positive on the company and you've spoken to your financial advisor, the right approach could be a gradual SIP approach into the company and a gradual buy on dip strategy that most of the experts here have been advising as well. So that's about the stellar debut of IREDA IPO. This entire week, we will see 4 other IPOs getting listed starting tomorrow as well, including the big one, Tata Technologies too. So hang on to Business Today TV to really find out what exactly is the action in both the primary market and the secondary markets, and we will tell you all of it. Many thanks for tuning into this video, but do stay tuned onto Business Today TV.